All right, so this is my last starter lock that I have to retie. This is my first retie. And from the middle, I am going to go in the direction of what would have been a twist. So I'm going to go back and then down for a 2-point rotation. And then back and down. And if I struggle with getting the interlocking tube through, I'm just going to end wherever it'll go through. So if it'll go back, I'm just going to end there, and it doesn't go through, so I'm not going to force it. I wouldn't risk pulling your hair out for that. So there you have it, all done. That was a lot, y'all. Several hours. I washed my hair the night before. Give you a view. I kind of made sure I didn't get too small on my edges, but this is what my first retie is looking like. And I tried to get it as close to my scalp as I could. Sorry, not in the view. So that I can keep these as long as possible. Stick on my eye. So yeah, not that bad. Whew, child. Look at that. This reminds me of when I used to get, we used to call them zillions. Remember that? Zillion braids, I think it was. Whew. All right. So that's that. The journey has begun. I'll be glad when it's loosened up. It's like I'm not feeling like I'm not functional, but yeah, it's a little tight. A little different from when I washed it last night and I was feeling free. So anyway, be catching y'all soon. Deuces.